need a fork. This is fork, huh?
Welcome to the rally. Welcome downtown. All our friends are gathered round. Come to hear the good news report about our brother in jail, a victim of war. There is good news. Good news from the transcript. It's alright that he's in there. Gonna file his appeal. Gonna win his case. Our brother Todd Stimson not away. Unnecessary. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. There's a lot you need to know about this case. How the defense attorneys rested their case without presenting any evidence in defense. And now Todd inside a fence. Yeah. Hold on more. See, there was a surprise at trial when the defense attorneys asked to review the evidence. It was quite wild. They rolled it out in these big plastic garbage bins, and they opened it up, and the stench almost killed them.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, it was horrible day in that
Where's my hazmat
courtroom. Oh my God. Where's my hazmat suit? Even the judge was completely shocked when they opened that evidence and they found a bunch of rot. The FBI lab agent said, "Oh, hell no. This wasn't how I seen it, and this is not how things go. This is sound of evidence being destroyed." Evidence being destroyed. This is sound of evidence being destroyed.
I don't know how that's going to be in the transcript.
Yeah. So everybody truly needs to understand, and this will be in the newspaper tomorrow a.m., that this is not a case about medical cannabis. This is a case that sticks to high heaven. We've had enough.
Let him go. Let him go. Back to Texas. Let him go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't really think we were gonna have music.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So that was the news report, everybody. That was the news report. Yeah, talk to the pilots of the field. Everybody went. There'll be more press coming tomorrow in the Citizen Times. This article I wrote about the nature of the case being slandered by LOS Television and Fox 13, whatever they are. Yeah, whatever those people say they are. They're not, yeah. That's what it's called.